Today, I will say you 5 essential things. You must know these 5 essential things if you want to be hacker. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's get started. Number 1. Programming skills. Understanding programming languages is crucial. Python, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby are some of the most popular languages in the hacking community. Number 2. Networking knowledge. A deep understanding of computer networks is vital. Learn about IP addresses, DNS, TCP, IP, and how data travels over the internet. This knowledge helps you understand how to secure networks. Number 3. Operating systems. You need to be comfortable with different operating systems, especially Linux. Linux is the preferred OS for hackers due to its flexibility, security, and open source nature. Number 4. Cybersecurity concepts. Understanding cybersecurity principles is key. Learn about encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and secure coding practices. And finally, number 5. Ethical hacking mindset. Being a hacker isn't just about breaking into systems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy hacking!